The 8th Riti Academy Annual Award Ceremony was held at the Raj Bhavan, Shillong, where 5 distinguished personalities were honored for their outstanding contributions across various fields. The Governor of Meghalaya, C.H. Vijay Shankar, attended the event as chief guest, accompanied by Principal Secretary of Arts and Culture, Frederick R. Kharkongor, and Commissioner and Secretary to the Governor, Dr. B.D.R. Tiwari. In his interaction with the awardees, the Governor of Meghalaya lauded Riti Academy for its commitment to recognizing and celebrating young talents of the state. He described the awards as a meaningful initiative that honored excellence in diverse disciplines and urged upon collective responsibility in guiding the youth towards constructive engagement. Expressing concern over issues such as drug abuse, early marriage, and the prevalence of HIV among the younger generation, the Governor underscored the importance of creating positive avenues to channel their potential. The recipients of the various awards included Dr. Meban Lamphang Lingdo, who received the Rana Kharkongor Award for Excellence in Music and Literature, Rangkitbok Sidokrud, who received the S. Koshan Sumer Award for Excellence in Literature, Kermen Lang Yuria for the Sumar Singh Sawian Award for Excellence in Media, Ram Kiranji for the Pritpal Singh Sehdev Award for Excellence in Visual Arts, and Ricky Paul Marwen for the Crystal Gale Karnayor Award for Excellence in Digital Arts. The awards were presented by the Governor in the presence of Riti Academy Chairman Rafael Wadri, along with the Principal Secretary F.R. Kharkongor, Commissioner and Secretary Dr. B.D.R. Tiwari, and family members of the eminent figures after whom the awards were named. In his keynote address, the chairman of Riti Academy of Visual Arts, Rafael Wadri, paid tribute to the late Governor Satyapal Malik, recalling his role in conferring the state award upon him and his support in advocating for proper premises for the academy. He expressed gratitude to the government for commissioning artworks and supporting the academy's year-round activities, while also acknowledging the governor's personal sponsorship of a cash incentive of Rs 11,000 for each awardee. The ceremony concluded with an emotional tribute by Dalariti G. Karnayor in memory of her late sister Crystal Gale Karnayor on the 8th anniversary of her passing.
Recognized by respected institutions and government bodies for the excellence of his contributions, Ram Kinji exemplifies artistic integrity and cultural sensitivity. Beyond sculpture, his versatility extends to blacksmithing, carpentry, stone engraving, and wood carving, further testifying to his extraordinary skill and dedication to the craft. Let's give him a round of applause.
What is your name? 39. Oh, this is so much opportunities. Please come.
Sir, ready? Also, sir, thank you, sir.
Finally, we have Ricky Paul Marwen.
Ricky Paul Marwen is a distinguished VFX artist whose expertise in character and creature development and significantly contribute to the visual storytelling of global cinema. A graduate in digital media from St. Joseph's College, Bangalore, Ricky has worked across Hollywood, French cinema, and Bollywood, with credits in acclaimed productions such as Mufasa, The Lion King, Prey, Ant-Man and the Wasp, Quantumania, Le Regne Animal, Resident Evil, and Lydia. His specialization spans modeling, texturing, look development, lens shaping, and FEC's based facial sculpting skills that bring emotional depth and realism to digital characters. With a sharp eye for detail and a strong artistic vision, Ricky has collaborated with renowned studios like Technicolor, MPC, Mr. X, The Mill, Hume, and infusory. His body of work exemplifies excellence in visual effects and reflects a rare balance of creative artistry and technical precision. This award honors his outstanding contribution to the field of digital media and VFX. Let's give him a round of applause.
Out of 5, 1 is from Bangalore. 5 awardees. At least 1 is from Bangalore. All the best. 1 is from Bangalore in the sense from my native. There's so much of that.
Sadhu sir, ready? Once more, sir. Thank you, sir.
So now I would like to request all the award winners, please come for a group photo with all the winners. Award. You be there. You are serious. So you are this right? You are the main coordinator, right? So academy is named upon you.
Ready? Once more, sir. Thank you, sir.
Two patrons. Yes, okay, 2 patrons. 4. You invite them all. Yes. Let them.
Yes.
All 4 patrons.
Yes. Mana?
Okay, so please come. Please come.
Yeah.
So this group photography will be over now. I think.
The word was He's the sister of the renowned artist.
Okay.
Department.